Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I am going to be unboxing the American Influencer Awards Beauty Box, also known as the AIA Beauty Bundle. And yeah, this is a once a month beauty box where they collab with one brand and bring you with one brand or influencer or whatever, and bring you items from that one brand. On the inside of the box it says be strong, be beautiful, be you. And yeah, it is $38 a month. And who did they collab with this month? They collabed with Almar Cosmetics. That is really, really cool. So, does it say anything about the brand? No, it does not. So, yeah. Okay, you may have noticed I have cut my bangs. So, yeah, they look a little weird, but hair does grow back. So, we are just going to embrace the bangs for now. So let us go ahead and move on. This is the card that it came with this month. And what are the items in here? The first item is the plumping lip water. You could have gotten the Aqua Ardiente lip water or the Aqua Fresca lip water. This one is the red one. It is the, which one is it? Aqua Ardiente. Okay, what is this? An innovative hyaluronic acid infused lip plumper that uses temperature to visibly plump the lips. Aqua Fresca lip water will provide an icy cooling sensation, while her spicy sister, Aqua Ardiente lip water, will provide a red hot kick. Oh, great. I hate when lip plumpers are spicy. I have very, very sensitive lips. Let's say, okay, the Fenty spicy ones, the heat ones, they weren't that hot, okay? But when I used them, they really irritated my lips really badly. And my lips were like dry and irritated for like a week straight. And those weren't even that spicy, but it had that capsicum in it. And it just really irritated my lips. So this will probably have to go into friend mail or into a giveaway, but this is valued at $20. Okay, that's a lot for a lip plumper, but it is called Plumping Lip Water. Okay, I just really don't want to take the chance on that, but that was cool that that is in there. I just wish I had gotten the Aqua Fresca lip water, but okay, we will move on. Okay, the next item in here is the Ojitos Brush Trio. It is either volume 1 or volume 2. I don't know which this one is. There is either a red, this pink set, or this green set here. So let's take a look at these brushes. Let's open them up here. They look really cool. Okay, we've got these brushes. Oh, I love these for underneath the eyeline here. And both of these look like, wait, center them, Jennifer. Okay, these look both like nice blending brushes. This one looks a little pinched. This looks like, and they feel really nice. This one looks like a nice blending brush. They all look really, really cool. What does it say? It is valued at $18 for the three of them. That is pretty good. Okay. What does it say? Made with 100% synthetic fibers. I like that. Our brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential. Okay. Our stiff pointer brush works for precise application on the lower lash line, and the fluffy blender is the key to offer a denser application. The wide blender brush is perfect for buffing concealer, primer, or glitter glues all over the eye before shadow application. Okay, so do these have names on them? Or no, they don't. They just say Almar on them. So these are the three brushes. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, there's another brush in here. It is the Wet Shine Highlighting Brush, valued at $14. Again, feels very nice. Use it for highlighting. And it is that's it. It's the Wet Shine Highlighting Brush. Okay, what does it say about this? It says vegan, silky soft, synthetic highlighting brush designed to give your highlighters maximum payoff. Dip into our sun-soaked highlighters with our new Wet Shine Highlighting Brush. Apply onto the high points of your face, shoulder, and collarbones, and wherever else you love to glow. Watch magic happen. Okay. Excuse me, that is a lot of claims. Speaking of highlighters, they sent one over as well. This is the La Arena Sun-Soaked Highlighter. Okay, it is a full size, looks like. Just gotta get it opened. Okay, and this is what the box looks like. Oh, I got it backwards. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty on the outside. It's a cardboard box. It has a color saver, and ooh, that is very, very pretty. Look at that. Can you see? Look at that pen embossing there. That is, oh, it feels like silk on the fingers. Oh my gosh. Oh, I hope that's not too dark for me. That is awesome feeling. Oh my gosh. Okay. Again. Let me just see. No, I think it'll work. A nice little brush. All right, that'll work. Okay, and that was valued at, oh, what it says, our liquid to powder formula offers a glossy veil of shimmers that glides on the skin and does not accentuate texture or fine lines. This powder is ultra soft, yes it is, buttery and buildable. Our formula is lightweight, comfortable, and non-comedogenic, a powder that is stunningly beautiful and good for your skin. Layer it on with our new Wet Shine highlighting brush. I did. And tap it in with your fingers for a new subtle glow from within. Valued at $20. That's a steal. That's a good price for that. And finally, I was looking forward to this because I do not have this. It is the Spanglish Pressed Pigment Eyeshadow Palette, valued at $28. Now, I know a lot of you might have gotten this in BoxyCharm when it first came out. I did not. So, I am very excited to get this. Just need to open it up here. Okay, hopefully this is not going to rip the paper on here. It is also made of cardboard, which I like that a lot. And yeah, this is very pretty. So Spanglish on the outside, and that's what she looks like on the inside. We have 4 mattes and 4 shimmers. Let's see what it says about it. Perfect for day and night, this palette features 8 stunning shades. Our 4 shimmers are just like you, multi-dimensional and unique, dripping in fine glitters and reflective pearls. Ground your look with our easy to blend and ultra long wearing matte. Okay, let's try these mattes. Very nice. That was a pinky swatch. Very nice mattes. Oh, I like that. But let's see those shimmers swatch. Those are beautiful. Love that. Oh, I can't wait to play with this palette. Okay. All right, here is the retail value of the box. Like I said, I cannot wait to play with some of this stuff and try out those brushes. And this is the only thing I'm not really gonna use. But yeah, everything else, absolutely. Okay, I think this is not working right now because I've overused it. Okay, so like I said, in the box, I got this Spanglish palette, this La Arena highlighter, this highlighter brush, this lip plumping gloss, and these 3 brushes. I think this was an awesome box this month. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. Did you get this box? Did you not? Did you skip this month when you found out who was going to be the brand that they picked? Because you already have everything. Do you have everything that's in this box? I just want to know. I am very nosy. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And if you haven't already, check in the description box and go follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, and on TikTok. And yeah, I hope you are having an amazing, wonderful day out there today. If you are new here, I do lots of makeup material. I do unboxings. I throw in a cooking video here and there. And I do like to talk about mental health sometimes. If you are not having a wonderful, amazing day, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have that kind of a day today. If you're having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and sending you all those good vibes. Aaron is sending out those good vibes too, but he couldn't be here today with us. He'll be back tomorrow though. And just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And we will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then, okay? All right, goodbye.